Hey guys, I'm showing you this mini projector by Towond, portable projector with a 1080p Full HD 10,000 lumens supported and with the home theater indoor outdoor video projector compatible with the TV stick. HDMI, USB, smartphone, PC, game console. So let's open this. So you can see this is a very portable and a small size projector. This is only around 5.3 inches. This is the accessory box with the different cables, the power adapter, HDMI cable. So the good thing is it can support the multimedia device support with the phone, tablet or table or laptop or TV stick with the game console, with the flash drive or the camera. You can see like all these attachments here. So this is the power cable that you can put in the adapter with the HDMI on the top. The audio will come from this. This is the remote that comes with it. So put two AAA batteries. I just put in the electric power. Let me put it on a big screen. So when on put in a small distance, you can more clear. The top portion is to adjust the focus, and you can tilt it a little bit to store this one. So these are all the menu items. The Bluetooth is also there, so you can connect it with the multiple things, the software update, USB, HDMI, or any other thing. You can also put it on the top or the front. The different settings and can be adjusted. So this is a high definition supported projector you can put on the screen. So Towond also manufacture the screen for this projections, so that you can use. So it's a really nice projector with all different things. This is the manual that describe everything, all the parts. So this is straightforward as I explained, and it can goes to a different screen size as well based on the distance from the screen. So as it is compatible with the Android or iOS, and it can be used anywhere you want, outdoor or indoor. So this is on the projector screen from Towond. The projector screen is also for the high definition projection. So this is the screen with the stand, and you can see really nice projection here. So this is 10,000 lumens, so from the distance also you can see the all the clear and the bright vision or the projection from this projector. So you can use with the family fun and have like all your family stuff, the movie time with it. You can also project it on the wall or on the screen, up to you as per you want, and the distance will describe like how clear it will be. So you can see like on the wall is really nice.